Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have taken a stat problem. We have to find out mean, variation and standard deviation. Data are given as xi is equal to 4, 8, 11, 17 up to and frequency 3, 5, 9, 5 up to. Okay. So let's start. First we will find fi into xi. Right, so 4 into 3 12, 73, 31 into 1 32. Right, now as n is equal to 30 and summation of f x, right, is equal to sum of these 420. Right, now mean denoted by x bar is equal to summation of fi into xi over n. Fine, so this 420 over n 30 is equal to 14. Right, now we have mean 14. Right, now we will go next step. xi minus x bar. Right, so xi as 4 minus 14 is equal to minus 10 and 8 minus 14 is equal to minus 6. Right, then 11 minus 14 is equal to minus 3. 17 minus 14 is equal to 3. 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. Right, then 24 minus 14 is equal to 10. 32 minus 14 is equal to 18. Right, now x minus x bar whole square. Right, so this as minus 10 square is equal to 100. Right, and minus 6 this square is equal to 36. Then minus 3 square is equal to 9. Then 3 square is equal to 9. Then 6 square is equal to 36. 10 square is equal to 100. 18 square is equal to 324. Right, now fi into xi minus x bar square. Right, here fi is 3. 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Then 5 into 36 is equal to 180. Then 9 into 9 is equal to 81, then 5 into 9, 45, then 4 into 36 is equal to 144. Then 3 into 100 is equal to 300, and 1 into 324 is equal to 324. Right? Now summation of this, right? Fi into x minus x bar square I is equal to 1 to 7, right? So this sum is 1374, right? Now we will determine variance and standard deviation. Variance denoted by sigma square is equal to 1 over n summation of Fi into x minus x bar square I is equal to 1 to 7, right? So 1 over n is 30, here n is 30 and this 1374 into 1374, right? So this value will be 45.8. So variance is this, right? Now we have to find out standard deviation. Standard deviation denoted by sigma, that will be square root of sigma square, right? So sigma square is this 45.8. So this will be 6.77, right? So standard deviation will be this. Okay friends, thank you.